Giving charity is a deeply spiritual and enjoyable experience. However, the fundraising culture today is filled with deceptive techniques, a lack of transparency, and only concerned with short-term gains. We need to donate and raise funds intelligently. Direct debit is safe, secure, and can be cancelled at any time. The control is entirely in your hands. The most beloved deed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most regular and consistent, even if it were little. At Green Lane Masjid, your regular donation facilitates 600,000 prayers annually, educates over 10,000 people, serves 5,000 youth, and supports 10,000 people through our welfare services. If 1,000 people were to give just 67 pence per day, this adds up to almost 250,000 by the end of the year. Light on the pocket, heavy on the scales.